Hey there! Today we're going to take a look at how to basically do a little bit of a magic trick with a few numbers of a denominator by a number that somebody has pulled from random below 1,000, a whole number. So let's check it out here in a couple minutes. My assistant's going to come up here and help me out. So, this is my assistant. She's going to pick a number for us from 1 to 1,000, and she's going to do a little bit of math to find the remainders of division by 7, 11, and 13, and I'm going to try to guess her number through calculations. Alright, so she's already picked a number and she's going to show it to you, but because we're on glass here, I'm going to turn around so I can't see it. Could you please divide your number by 7 and give me the remainder? Thank you. Awkward moments on camera. All right, so her remainder is 6 for a division of 7. Could you also divide your number by 11 and give me the remainder?
3.
3 is the remainder for a division by 11, and the last one being 13. Por favor.
2.
And the last remainder is 2. All right, well, let me get some magic going here. All right, so I found an answer here, and I'm going to write it on the board. Let's see if I am right. Is that it? All right, so thank you. All right, don't let that one come on video, because if I do that, they'll cancel the entire channel. All right, so how did this work? What is this madness? How is this crazy stuff happening? Well, we take our first denominator, which was the divisor of 7 against the number x, and we multiply this by 715. We're going to multiply the 3 by 364. And we're going to multiply the 2 by 924. So our answers here are going to be as followed. And remember that we are going from 1 to 1,000, and our magic system is based around 1,001. So our first answer here is 4,290. Our second is 1092. Our third is 1848. You add them together, and we get 7230. We take the highest multiple of 1001 that is less than our total sum here. So 7,007, and what we get is 223. That's it. So that is the Chinese Remainder Theorem. If you'd like to see that in more detail or covered more broadly, please leave a comment below and let us know. And your homework today is going to be to guess a number from what I provide you here using this exact same formula. What we're going to do is I chose a number and you're going to try to solve it here. And we're going to say that my number is I, and if that was to be divided by 7, our first remainder is going to give us a 1, and if it was divided by 11, our second remainder is going to be a 9, and if it was divided by 13, our third remainder is going to be a 6. Try to plug those numbers in and guess my number. Leave a comment below with that as well. So don't forget to like, subscribe, play other videos, ring that bell for notifications for future videos. Looking forward to seeing you next time.